Symbiosis International University is a research-oriented university, and Symbiosis Law School Nagpur, being a constituent of this university, has been maintaining the legacy of conducting world-class research by upholding a very strong research ecosystem. The faculty members are working on multiple research projects funded by reputed national and international agencies like ICSSR, LCW, and many more. Even for the matter of research and publication, here the faculty members are working in collaboration with world-class researchers coming from across the world like Elkhorn State University, USA, Bedford University, United Kingdom, Sultan Qaboos University, Oman, and soon we are going to have many more such collaborations with top-class universities and research organizations of the world. So far as research and development is concerned, the best part of Symbiosis Law School Nagpur is that it organizes FDPs, research workshops, and expert talk series on research and publication on a very regular basis, where we invite experts from India and abroad to address and interact with the faculty members and also the students.